Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. So the students have been waiting for a long time after the PG counseling got over for CPS counseling. CPS notification for CPS Mumbai has been released now. They have mentioned that soon they will be releasing the detailed schedule for accepting online application and form and information brochure that will contain all the details regarding colleges and courses. For the timing, I am informing you that is the latest news from CPS Mumbai. The notice got published on 31st of August, that is today, and just now I received it. And the candidates who were waiting for CPS Mumbai, so they can get activated now. For some information I am sharing with you as of now. There are 3 CPS courses, 6 FCPS courses are recognized. That means if you do complete those CPS and FCPS courses, you are also eligible to do practice outside Mumbai. And other courses other than recognized courses, which are permitted courses, you are only eligible to practice within Maharashtra and Mumbai. So what are the 3 CPS courses? First one is DGO, that is for Diploma in Gynecology. DCH, Diploma in Child and Health, that is Diploma in Pediatrics. And DPB, Diploma in Pathology. 6 FCPS courses which are recognized is FCPS Medicine, FCPS Pathology, FCPS Surgery, FCPS Dermatology, FCPS Gynecology and FCPS Ophthalmology. Remaining other than these 6 courses, okay, remaining courses are permitted. So these are just few information, and I will also talk about the fee that you need to pay if you go and as per the eligibility. There are 2 types of hospitals. One is government hospital and other is private hospital. So only the candidate coming from Maharashtra are eligible to participate in the counseling for government hospitals, and other candidates who are belonging to other state like Gujarat, Bihar, UP, Karnataka or any other state, they are eligible to participate for private hospitals there in Maharashtra. So once they release the information brochure, you will have all the list of government and private hospitals. Those are applicable for the current CPS 2020 PG admission process. So more I will update later in this on CPS Mumbai. Okay, but as of now I am telling you how much it would be the fee if you go for. There are 2 different type of fee. One is merit quota fee and other is institutional quota. So talking about CPS courses, for DGO the fee for merit quota is around 4.5 per annum. For DCH it's also 4.5 and DPB is 1.5. okay, if you take other courses like CPS dermatology, anesthesiology, dermatology, the fee is 4.5. so these 3 branches, DGO, DCH and DDB, that is dermatology, the fee is 4.5 for merit quota, and for other branches the fee is 1.5 lakhs per annum. For DMRE, that is CPS in radiology, the fee is 4.5 but it's not a recognized course. Talking about institutional quota fee, the institutional quota fee is either 4.5 into 3 times or 2 times of the merit quota fee. And now we'll talk about briefly about the fee structure for FCPS. See, these are all information I'm talking about as per the last year, so that you have some idea. And once we have that official detailed schedule and information brochure published, I will create one more video with the detailed information. For FCPS, actually for merit quota the fee is, for medicine it is around 6.5, surgery is around 4.5, Obsgyne is around 6.5 per lakhs per annum. And when you talk about institutional quota, the fee is around 3 times of merit quota, same as CPS. So with this I leave you waiting for the official schedule published and information brochure. If you have any question, definitely you can call us to the number given in the description. If you want to avail paid services for CPS counseling, because there are many hospitals, and candidates must have idea which hospital is good, and what are the benefit of going through a paid counseling. I can tell you, you will be provided all information about the hospitals and in what manner you should approach the counseling, so that like DNB you can secure a good hospital in the good area in Maharashtra. So we'll provide all the information as part of paid service, and until you get seat allocated, we will be supporting you. So if you have any question, or if you want to avail our paid services, the time is now. You can call us to the number given in the description. We will able to help you. And even if you have got lesser marks, because I can understand only if you didn't get admission in MSMD courses which got over today, that's why you are trying for CPS, or you might not have had enough budget to go for stay vacancy round for MSMD courses. That's why you're trying for CPS. So it's very important that you put your step forward very carefully, and after proper analysis, so that this is the last chance for this year CPS. After MSMD courses are already over, so you do proper analysis, and for any kind of support, any kind of help, you can definitely call us. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button, so that you keep on getting notification for the further videos that I will be creating on CPS Rajasthan, Gujarat, and definitely for Maharashtra. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.